Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pooja from IIT Delhi's Central Research Facility, also known as CRF, which is presently headed by Professor Sameer Sabra. CRF is the inseparable part of IIT Delhi because it has various eminent equipments that are used by many national, international, academic and industrial users. Today I am going to talk a little about TEM, which is Transmission Electron Microscope. I am about to share a brief overview of the instrument, and the model I am talking about is GEOL 1400, which is the basic model of TEM. So we will start from the controls. This is the left control panel, which is used to control the brightness and other features of the electron beam. This one is the trackball for locating the desired coordinates. This is the viewing screen for direct sample image on the fluorescent screen. This is the right control panel used for the beam correction and magnification. This is the specimen holder where we put our sample deposited grids. This is the selected area electron diffraction aperture that helps to get the spot and ring pattern. This is the objective aperture that helps to improve the beam focus and contrast. This is the condenser aperture that focuses the beam onto the specimen. This is the electron beam source that produces electron using thermionic emission. This is the control screen where we can see the whole overview of the working machine. This is the imaging screen used to view the structure directly with the help of CCD camera. So this was the short overview of the TEM instrument along with its important parts and functionalities. There are a lot more aspects in TEM which we may later on discuss in detail. Thank you so much for your time, and we will meet next time with more elaborations.